I love this kit in the car. If I had one of these cars, it's definitely a kit I would probably go for.
Sounds like that.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode of 5-Star Cars. Sorry I have been MIA. I literally have not got a chance to make videos in the last like 8-9 days. It's been absolutely hectic. But I'm back, dropping these videos. I'm going to try and drop as much as I can this week. I am going on holidays the following week. I'm going away for a week, so I won't have any videos out. If you want me to record my while I get up to on holidays, if I spot any supercars while I'm over there, I shall try and get you some action while I'm there. I'm going to Croatia. But yeah, I'm sorry to all my subscribers that I've been MIA. And look, I'm a small channel, so I doubt you even miss me anyway. But that's neither here or there. I'm back anyway. I want to get this video out. As today, guys, we've got these for build. We've got DDE, TJ Hunt, and a few others on top of that as well. So, guys, if you are new to the channel and you've check out my other videos, what I do is where I'm from. There is no supercars, so I just give my thoughts, opinion, what's going on. Just by smashing the subscribe button, just helping the channel grow. I promise you, I am going to get a project car for the channel. That is a main goal of mine, to get a project car for the channel. So it really means a lot to me. You liking and comment below, get involved. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. That is the whole point of this channel, to chat about what's going on in the supercar community. And you know, the major goal for this channel has always been to buy an R8 and do a project car for that. But for the time being, you know, guys, I'm not making really any money off this thing. But you know, as we get bigger, I will show you the first paycheck of this channel when we get it. But it could be a while. But I will, when I get back from holidays, I'm going to churn out videos left, right and centre for you guys. It's just at the moment it's been so hectic and I haven't gotten time. But we will get into today's video again, so just jump into it. B is for a build. They have finally gotten a widearch E92 BMW done. I am delighted it's finished, and I am delighted with the colour he chose. It came out a lot better when we all saw it getting put together. I'm sure there was a few questions from people like in the comments asking, oh, I'm not too sure. I love this kit in the car. If I had one of these cars, it's definitely a kit I would probably go for. Colour choice, and it's his first time spraying a car. He didn't put down the lacquer. Not Chris now, but I can't remember the guy's name, but anyway, it was his first time spraying, and it came out really well. I really like the colour choice. Be interesting what wheels he puts on it. But what about you guys? I want to hear from you in comments below. Yes, nay, thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you like the kit? Do you like the colour? Kyle, was it? Look, fair dues from guys. These are apocalyptic builds. It's keeping us entertained. There's a lot of work went into that, a lot of chopping, and the kit didn't fit properly. And I just really love it. I just can't wait to see what wheels he puts on it. It's definitely a kit I would consider if I had one of those cars. So yeah, fair dues, Kyle. Great work involved. Really loving the kit. Can't wait to see what wheels he puts on and how he finishes it off. Yeah, I'm just being for build, just turning it out as usual. Loving these episodes. And now we have to wait and see what happens with the other two. But so far, the E92 has been my favourite one that's come out in the kit wise. So yeah, interesting times ahead. So comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of the car and the kit in comments below. Next on our list is DDE. Oh guys, so much going on with DDE lately. Oh, absolute madness. Sold to C8. We all knew it was going to get sold. Come on, like they just basically jumped in on top of the whole C8 bandwagon like everybody else, just to get the views. That's what it was for. They buy the cars to generate the revenue for the channel. The C8 was always going to be one of those that they were always going to use to just be, say they had one, generate the numbers, get the views, and they were always going to sell it. You know, it was just one of those things. But the reviews from Damon off that car, I mean, obviously we don't have them here in Europe, but yeah, just what people are saying they're one of the best cars, bang for your buck for what you're getting. I'm like sad he sold it. Yeah, I mean, you know, I really like seeing it on the channel, but you know, DD are in a bit of limbo. They got the 720S now, and look, 720S, he's after putting on that P1 GTR exhaust system. I love the wrap that he's going for. I think it's going to look sick on the 720S, and even the sound of this exhaust is absolutely insane as well. Actually, just check this exhaust sound out. I really like this. I really think this has gotten down well, and the exhaust system on this car is nuts. you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Are you glad what Damon's doing to the 720S? Are you glad this sold the C8? I want to hear your opinions in the comments below. Look, hopefully now they can start pushing on and really start digging into like the 720S build, a new wrap maybe for the tire slayer. You know, and then Dave has his Huracan as well. There's so much to look forward to with DD. Like, there's just no letting up with them. It's just an interesting time ahead. The C8 was always going to be, it was just a novelty thing for them to have it there when they had it, and wear it to the new owner. Yeah, he's got a new C8, and he's got a very good C8 at that. And I wonder how much he paid for it. Guesses below. I'm going to say what, 105 maybe, over 100,000 for the C8. But I could be miles off, but let me know in the comments below, guys, how much you think they sold the car for, and you glad that the C8 is gone. Next on our list is TJ Hunt. Now, guys, one of my favourite car YouTubers has put his Aventador in to be wrapped. I'm delighted he's doing it, as much as we love the yellow, and I don't get me wrong, I'm not the biggest yellow fan, but on the Aventador you could do it hot pink and it wouldn't make a difference. It's such an unbelievable car. Question for you guys and me is, what colour should he wrap it? I have fallen in love with the Tiffany blue on Jeffree Star's Senna. If you're a subscriber and you've watched my other videos, this is a colour I think a lot more people should be doing. I would love to see it on the Aventador. It would be absolutely sick. I hope he does it, but I'm not too sure. Your guess is as good as mine. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below what colour you think he's going to wrap the Aventador. Just, it could be anything, and you never know. Something bright anyway. Chrome, yes. Satin chrome, yes. I love chrome. I'm a chrome guy. But that Tiffany green teal, would be lovely with a nice set of gloss black wheels. It'd be so sick. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. And he had a 600 LT as a replacement car for the week and a half while the car is getting replaced. And I think TJ's starting to fall in love with the 600 LT. Check this clip out, because the sounds and burbles and pops off this thing and the downshifts, oh my god, how could you not fall in love with this? Damn! So sick, guys, so sick. I mean, I have a feeling that it's going to turn his head, that 600 LT. I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, TJ maybe sold the car or two to maybe facilitate getting a 600 LT, or after he fixes the Audi R8, he has that after he twin turbos it for a while, maybe sells that and get a 600 LT and a crashed one and fixes that. Not too sure, but it looks like he's really enjoying the 600 LT, and it's going to be interesting. He's got a whole week with the car, and I wouldn't be surprised if he starts going over to the McLaren side. But you know, when you have a Lamborghini Aventador, we'll see what happens with the wrap. It'll be interesting to know. But a question for you guys: what colour should he wrap the Aventador, and should he get a McLaren or a 600 LT? I want to hear your comments below. I would love for him to get the McLaren. It'd be great for his channel, but you know, we'll see. Moving next to our list is Tavarish, guys. He is going to continue on with his F355 burnt build. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. He's really after tearing into this thing. He's going to be putting in that rotary engine into it. I think he did a render of it. I honestly, in my opinion, I do not like the render. It was on Instagram, so I didn't get it. It's going to be a topless 533 with the rotary engine. I think this isn't going to be one of those cars that it's really going to be out, you know, for I think it's going to be a track car or something like that, which I'm, you know, because it's a sequential gearbox. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be a road car. I'm really gutted that it's not going to be a road car. I would love if he turned it into a road car, but it doesn't look like it's going to go down that route. And the render, I didn't like it. I'm not too happy that it isn't, but look, it's his car at the end of the day. I just want to know your guys' opinions down in the comments below. Have you seen the render? Are you glad what he's doing with the F355 build? But his other builds are doing quite well, and he's cranking out the content as well. So look, we'll see what happens with it. It'll be just still interesting to see how he's going to fit that engine in there, because there's a lot of work to it. So yeah, interesting times ahead with Tavarish. Really enjoying his builds so far. Last but not least, guys, I love covering these guys. They do such good work on cars. RDBLA, they have done a widearch. It looks like, I'm not sure if it's a Rocket Bunny kit on the Aventador. This thing is mean as hell. The colour is nice, but it's not the colour I go for. I'm not a dark camel green kind of colour guy. But my god, the car itself is absolutely just menacing looking. It's just so sick. I really like it. You know, the way the amount of work these guys do. I mean, obviously if I had the money and I was pretty rich and I lived in LA, these were probably the guys I would go to because they know how to mod cars. But in fairness to them, like, they crank out some insane sick cars and really know how to mod them as well. This Aventador, it's just the colour for me. The rest of it, I love the wing on it, the wheels are nice, I just love the shape of it. It even sounds sick. And again, guys, all the links are in the descriptions below if you want to check out those videos. But yeah, RDVLA, killing it. I love covering these guys, some of the cars they do. They've done an F8 as well in an unbelievable colour. They wrapped it in. But you know, if I had the money, that's not a colour I would have went down. But it's still, would I say no to this Aventador? You know, of course you wouldn't. You definitely have it in your garage, so you would. But yeah, let me know what you think below, guys, of the Aventador and the kit, and would you go down that route? And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is the end of the video. So if you've watched to the end, thank you very much. Hope you will subscribe and you just enjoy this kind of content. And I'm sorry again if I've been late with the videos. I do try and get one out every day, but at the moment, guys, I just can't. It's just with me with the gym and work, and I will try and get out at least 2 or 3 a week if I can. But when I go on holidays and I come back, then we're going to start cranking it out. Literally, I'm going to hammer the videos out at you. So stick with me. Enjoy the videos. Comment below. Thank you very much for watching for the end. Stay safe. Peace out. And I'll check you in the next episode. Bye.